Promptless Connector lets you build WordPress pages through a Claude Desktop conversation. For agency developers, it replaces the manual copy-paste cycle between content and WordPress with a structured conversational workflow. Setup starts in the WordPress admin. Click Generate Connection. Promptless creates a scoped application password and gives you a one-line setup command. Copy the command, open terminal. Paste the command. The setup installs a small helper program and registers it with Claude Desktop. Restart Claude Desktop. You are now connected. In this example, Claude is asked to read a content brief on the desktop and structure it into a home page. The brief describes a fractional CFO practice with services, a track record, an onboarding process, and pricing tiers. Claude reads the document, checks the current site state, and deploys. Within seconds, the full page is live on WordPress, theme-aware, schema-validated, and WCAG-compliant. No rebuild required. Next, a follow-up request. Add a testimonials section after the stats. Claude reads the existing page, inserts the new section in the right position, and deploys the update. Iteration happens in conversation, not in the editor. Every action is scoped to Promptless manage pages and reversible by default. If access needs to be cut, one click from the Promptless admin ends it immediately. The Promptless connector is included on every paid Promptless tier. Learn more at promptlesswp.com/connector.